Imagine managing a vast product catalog with countless variants. Different colors, sizes, and materials of products can quickly become overwhelming. To solve this, we have created an Odoo module attribute-based product splitting to simplify the management of products. So, let's get started to see how to use this module. First, we will install the module. Now let's go to sales data and find a product that has multiple variant. Here the t-shirt has total 6 variants combining different color and sizes. We can either split it by color or sizes. For now, let us split by color. So the product will split like white in 3 size and black in 3 sizes. This way single product is now split in 2. Let's do it. Locate setting icon and select split product variant. And now select the attribute which will be color and confirm. And it's done. Our product is split in 2 as t-shirt white and t-shirt black. All the other attributes will remain same. This way managing catalog becomes easy as you can split the product and then filter out. Thank you for watching this video.